welcome to our recent Vincent. Ooh, this wind. It's pouring out rain right now. Yeah, let's go inside. Hey! Whoa. Before I get stuck. Easy there. Here's a tomato. Ah! It's raining! Come on. Oh yeah. Yes. Yeah. Let's go! Sorry! Ow, my head! Oh, yeah, yes, baby. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's go, running. D. We're here now. It's stopped our journey west since sensational. Okay, it's right. Oh, it's collapsing. That's miserable. Ow! What is that? They're building our house right there. Supposed to. Okay, that was safe. That was intense. What the heck is that? We don't need one. We need one. What is that? What's that? Amen. No. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the shelter. Yeah. Move. I'm right there. Yes. It's really windy right now, and right now, the doorknobs are breaking now. There's really a full-on storm is going on, and this, it literally destroyed. Oh my God, guys! What do we do? Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh! Ow! I'm saving you! Oh! Wow! Rex is not even safe either. Double twins for our twin sister. Oh, I can't wait. It's really laying rocky right now. And with how literally we got there's our I literally see the glasses. That glass is down right there. And there's only one glass left. So, guys, this is taken seriously with that. Oh, the doorknob. Help! Did you say help? I'm coming for you. Oh no, he got blown by a tornado and she's dead. We need to go to the hospital because he just really almost did. You see right now, our backyard is flooded complete. And I'm watching this and whoa, whoa. Ow. Ow. My head. We got knocked by the wind now. No. Oh my God. I can't believe this. I can't really believe this is happening at all. Ow! Ow! Oh no, he's rolling away, Father. He's in the tornado. And the tornado's fast. Oh my God. Oh my God, what happened? No! Wee! Oh! Ow! Our cart is parked in the shade and it's really shaking right now. It's really shaking. It's really shaking right now. We gotta move right now. Oh! Best friend. They're always. Oh! The tornado tore him down. And that's this too. Oh my God. Wait. We're making three. Oh my God, there's really three of my backup walls. I hope the tornado did pass or whatever, because when it does, it's really shaking right now. And it's really rusting now. There's only one left. And dude, it's shaking right now. Whoa, he's going into the tornado. Oh no. It's ripping our house down. It's really ripping. Oh no, I'm stuck in a tornado. Help. Help. Wow. Completely. Oh, completely. That tornado just outbreak us, and oh my God, that tornado is finishing. It's blocking by the wind, and my leg hurts. Oh my God, I can't believe this. Golly, I can't get up now. I need a medical now. Oh my God, everybody's dead now. Yeah, corn, especially corn, because he got boomed by a tornado. Like, he's blown like a tornado, and the tornado has passed over Minton County. So we live in Minton County. Oh my God, we can't cook. Wait now. Now I can't get up because I got snapped my leg again. My leg got looped. Ouch. I need medical attention now because everybody just is dead right now. Oh my God, from that tornado. That is taken serious. Okay, completely now. I have to get in a safe place.
Roblox is giving away 1 million Robux. Yep, that's right. You can win 1 million Robux. This game is free to play. You can play it on mobile. You can play it on desktop.